Okay, let's talk about a development cycle. Andy, you come up with an idea. How long do I have to get it done?
Yesterday.
Okay, I'm behind on the first day. Only one day behind. The idea is that we're fast, we're nimble. We have a toolbox full of various elements that we've built up over the years, and we can pick this, pick that, put in a couple of new things, and in a very short order, a couple of weeks, a month, we've got another product. Then run it through, let a bunch of people test it, tweak software here and there, order up a bunch of boards, and they're going out the door.
Yep.
How do you do it?
How do we do it?
You're inventing stuff. Broadcast in radio and audio has been around for 50, 60 years. How are you guys continually pushing the envelope, driving development, and coming up with these new products?
Well, it's because we're into it, Jay.
Yeah.
That's the easiest way to say it. Gary and I have always been just excited by doing what you can do and figuring out how to do the best you can do and cool things that you can do. And, as soon as we do them and we deploy them and we hear about things that customers are doing with them, the light bulbs go off and we say, oh, well, we could do that same thing there. And what Dave talked about is, we've had such a bag of tricks from all the things that we have done. What I think you said we have 26 different
consoles.
And each one of them has different sorts of function sets, and we can sort of take these tricks and apply them in new ways that we hadn't thought of before, and come out with new products. And it's exciting. It's very rewarding, and because of the technology we have in the building to actually build these things, we can get a circuit design off of one of the CAD computers on a Monday, and we can order the circuit board from a vendor on a quick turn, and it can come in 2 days from then, and we can have the prototype working Thursday afternoon. Because we got a surface mount line here, our technology lets us take the CAD data and directly program the equipment. Voila, there you go.
And meanwhile, the metal guys are building the chassis or the frame for it.
Absolutely.
Mr. Snow's picking out colors in the silk screening department, and we're not waiting for anybody. And one of the things about this, it is control. At the end of the day, we're in control of our destiny and everything that we make. And yeah, we're cool. We're just a cool audio company like that. We are, as I've traveled the world lately, we are one in few.
Yeah.
There's lots of console companies, there's lots of electronic manufacturers, but having, the ability to invent, design, manufacture, test, ship, and support.
And the desire, too, because, we started in the music business years and years ago. I was in a band, Gary was in a band, half of the people in this company were in bands. We were into music, and we just wanted to be involved in an industry that had something to do with that. And more important than that, if you're ever in a band, you've been ripped off by someone or other. So, we didn't want to be that way. We felt that if somebody bought something from us, they paid for what it was that they were getting, and it was up to us to provide that to them and support it for them. We still fix stuff that we made 20 years ago for folks.
Yep. It may require a green wire or two, but we fix it.
And it lets us sleep at night because, we're happy about what we do.